Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. How you doing? All right, guys. This is the after look after the frost, after the cold weather. This is the after look at my garden. These are my garlic them here, and the frost scorched them down. But at the end of the day, they're gonna survive. So I'm not worried about that. This is what I'm doing here. I'm getting ready to start adding the leaves. I also want to show you the quality of my soil. The quality of the soil is amazing over here. And as you can see all here, all this area, you know, you could see the pine straw, you could see all the leaves there, but the soil is very rich, pretty decent soil. I'm showing lots of video how I get my soil to come like this, because I've been working on this soil for a while. Okay, and because I allow the leaves and everything to get back into the soil, it keeps the soil rich. All right, like for instance, you see all these are pepper trees, and what I do, I just slap them inside there, and over the winter I'm gonna just allow them there to decompose over the winter. All this area here, look up, the pepper tree still have pepper, but I'm leaving all this right here, all the pepper, I'm leaving everything here to get back into the soil. All over here we had onion plant here, and the weather really hit them, but they're gonna come back. Over here, all these are my garlic. All this area here full with garlic. All that's garlic. But because of the weather hit them, it has scorched them up. Okay, so all these, as you can see, look what's going on here. See, all this is what I use, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just mix it back in the soil. But look at the soil. You see, the soil is very good. So when I talk about soil, guys, I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this for years, so I know the benefit of soil, of building your soil a certain way. All these are sage. The weather hit them, but we know they're gonna come back. We have another sage tree here. Yes, but like you see what I'm doing. All them old pepper trees, I just break them down and throw them back inside the bed, and that's what's gonna happen. They're gonna come back. Over here we have a patch of garlic right here growing. Over here as well, we have garlic growing here as well. We have garlic growing here, and we have garlic growing there. So we have a lot of garlic going on right now. So what I'm doing now, I'm getting into repairing the raised bed. Repairing the raised bed, like putting it back together, start adding leaves in the raised bed, start putting, like for instance, all here, this whole area already planted up with edos already. You see, for instance, all these leaves. What I'm gonna do with these leaves, I'm gonna rake them up. I'm gonna rake them up like this. And then you take them and you throw them in your raised bed. Okay, all this is beautiful soil. Let me show you this soil. Look at this soil, you see? Look the color of this soil. All this is beautiful soil. So guys, I gave you a lot of information how to build your soil. So it's you now to try and see if it can work for you. But this is what's going on. Getting ready to start repairing my raised bed if I need to change any pieces of wood or what I need to do, and then start adding more grass, more leaves, and then I leave them, then I mix them in with each other, and that's it. If you see going over here, I have tons of leaf everywhere, tons of leaf everywhere. And this is, you know, all these leaves is what I'm gonna rake up, all of them, all over. I'm gonna rake them up and throw them in my raised bed and mix with the soil, and here we go. Planter Garden TV at it again for 2023. All right. Peace, love, and blessing. Enjoy. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace.